Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First thing I'd like to say is a happy new year to all of you who are watching right now, and yes, it is 2018 and this is my very first video of the year, which is crazy. I've had a lovely break and now I am back and filming videos, and I'm really excited, as everyone always says, but for the year ahead. And if you're new to this channel, then welcome to my channel, my space, and I hope that you stick around. And if you're not already subscribed, then it would make my year if you add yourself to this family and click the subscribe button that you see on the screen somewhere here or down below. For those of you who actually watch my channel regularly, you'll know that I actually do wear glasses. Today I'm not, because I am trying on some glasses for you, so I have my contacts in so that I can see what's going on, that kind of thing. If you wear glasses like me all the time and you're really bored of your old styles and the kind of glasses that you've been wearing for years and years, then here's a great idea for you to freshen up your look and kind of feel a little bit more like yourself. It's also a good time to do a bit more of a new year, new me, if that's what you're into. But yeah, I thought it'd be a nice time to actually switch up my glasses. I might actually change my glasses if I like the ones that I try on today. So potentially you guys could be helping me pick my new glasses, which I think is quite exciting. I've picked 4 glasses and they're slightly different in, you know, different like sizes, different colours, that kind of thing. And hopefully I can try them on for you and show you what they look like on my face type if you have my face type, or if you're just interested in the glasses altogether. And this isn't a sponsored video, so everything that I'll be saying in this video is completely my own opinion. I did this out of my own back, that kind of thing, so nobody's paying me to say anything, nobody's sponsoring me, so it's a completely honest, just because I have a platform and just because I wanted to share with you guys. So I hope that you enjoy this kind of style of video. If you do, remember to give it a big thumbs up and let me know as well if you want to see more try on and things like that from me. But without further ado, let's get started with the video. I thought I'd bring you in a little bit closer just so you can see what's going on. So I've actually gone ahead and picked glasses from the company glassesdirect.co.uk, so you can see here. So it comes in this really cute convenient box which looks like this. It's a nice A4 size, so it's not too big, so it should actually fit through your letterbox, which is great. I have actually bought glasses from Glasses Direct before. The glasses that I actually own right now, I bought 2 or 3 pairs from them, so I do rate their service. I do like them, so I thought it would just be natural to go back to the same company because I like the style of the glasses. I think they're affordable. It's great for people like me who have a really strong prescription. To be honest, I can't see a damn thing, so having glasses is a must for me in my everyday because I literally cannot see. So I have a home trial here, and you can pick up to 4 different pairs of glasses that you like the look of, and they'll send it to you and they'll give you 7 days just to try them on and see how you feel with them. If you don't like them, you can return them free of charge. If you do like them, then you can just order them and they can send your correct glasses frames with the prescriptions. Obviously these are dummies, so they don't come with your prescription in it. It's just the standard glasses frame, and then if you want to buy it, then you'll just add your prescription and they'll be able to send it to you. This is what it looks like on the inside. So it just opens up in this convenient little box. You have all your glasses here. So I did go for the 4 glasses because I thought it would be worth doing it. Again, if you're not sure how it works, it actually tells you the procedure up here, which I think is really cool. It's got a really nice infographic at the top, so you know exactly what you need to do. Do make sure that you do return it after 7 days, otherwise you will get charged. I think the first pair I'm going to show you are maybe the most simple pair that I have here, and it's these glasses here. Like I said, these are the most basic ones that I have here. There's not much going on with them. They're quite kind of like everyday, which is kind of what I wanted anyway, because I will be working in an office, so I kind of need them just to be easy to put on, put off, and then ones that go with absolutely any outfit that I wear basically. So that's kind of why I chose these. These are the Kangola brown, I think it is. That's kind of all it says on the little packet thing here. But yeah, I think that they'll do nicely for an everyday office look, so I can just show you those as I put them on. My eyes look humongous, but that's probably because on my normal glasses I have like thinning, because my prescription is so bad. I really need like the maximum thinning, and these are just standard dummies, so that's why my eyes look really big to me. But I think first impressions, I like the fit. Quite nice because they don't make my face look really round, and I hate that. I hate when glasses make my face look really round and full. I think it's quite nice on like my face shape at the moment. I think it's not too round. It's a nice in-between style. I also feel quite like professional in them. I feel like I could be taken seriously as well. The colour is actually brown. So I haven't actually had a pair of brown glasses before, which I think is quite nice. But yeah, I really like it. Very simple. I'd say because they're quite basic and because they're probably something that I would go for, I would probably rate them quite highly. I think the brown looks nice with my skin tone as well, which is always nice. And yeah, I quite like them. What do you guys think about this one? Definitely leave me a comment in the down bar. The next pair that I'll pull out are these ones, just because they're a similar shape. And yeah, you can't see them in here, so I don't know why I'm showing you in there. They have a really like unique kind of style because they are yellow. And if you guys have seen my channel art and you've seen the colours that I use for my channel, you'll know that this kind of yellow, this mustardy yellow, is like my ultimate favourite colour. I am obsessed. So obviously naturally I would have to go with a pair of glasses that have this really cute yellow because this is like everything. These are from the brand Dunlop, and like I said, they have the yellow on the inside, which I think is a nice touch. It gives it a little bit more pizzazz, and everything else I think is a really dark grey colour, which again is very good because then I think I can wear it with most things. This is what these look like. Okay, so first off, I'm thinking, I don't know, like maybe because like the yellow, I can see the yellow so vividly, like there's a look in the little camera screen, and I'm just not used to that, and I feel like it's, I don't know, I feel like it's maybe a bit too much yellow. Maybe I might need thicker frames to hide the thinning. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but for those who have really bad prescriptions, you understand what I mean, because I think the frames are very, very thin and very, very like obvious if I did have the thinning in them, so I'm not sure about that. Yeah, I don't know, I like the yellow, but like I feel like it's just in your face like that, and also I don't know if it would go with like colours like maybe green or red. It might be a bit too like in your face. I feel like it's nice for the spring and summer as well, and that's definitely coming up, so you know, maybe with that in mind, it might be a really nice pick to brighten up some of my outfits. And as we all know, glasses are now accessories. They're not exactly these really awful things. Glasses are so fashionable, so you know, this is kind of just a fashion statement. Yeah, I don't know, what do you think, guys? On to our third pair of glasses. Woo! My eyes are getting really like weird with all the like changes and stuff. So the third pair of glasses are, again, I don't know, this shape perhaps is, I feel like the best shape of me. So I feel like these glasses have the same shape, so they're not that different, unfortunately, with shape size, but I guess the frames are. So we have a pair here, and these are from the brand Accessorize. But I love these because they have like a sort of transparent bottom half of the frame slightly, but I don't know if you can see that, but the actual bottom half has a tiny little shade of pink, which is cute because, you know, who doesn't love pink in their life? I am a little bit of a girly girl, so I do like a bit of pink, and the glasses that I have currently do have actually pink handles, I think they're called. So this is what these ones look like. Again, they are plastic, as you can see, and very lightweight. Oh, I love these. Like, how cute. I don't know, I like these. I really like these ones. Yeah. Come on, like, how can you not have a bit of pink in your life? So I like these. Transparency as well, I feel like that's quite different. And it softens up the look because it's quite heavy on the top. Like, these are a lot, the frames are a lot thicker than the last two that I showed you, and I feel like because it's so thick, it needs a bit of light under my, because I know at the moment I'm getting like dark circles and stuff, so I feel like this gives a bit of light under your eyes. Or is that just me? Like, that's just how I'm thinking, like looking in the mirror right now. What do you guys think? Do you think these are like office appropriate? I feel like they are because they're black. And then they also show that tiny bit of personality which comes in the pink and the transparency. And they're not too obvious. Like if I was to walk into the office with a new pair of glasses and I wore these, they're not as obvious as maybe having a pair of yellow. I don't know, like they're a bit more, pink is a bit more like muted, and because it's not like a bright pink either, it's quite, it's not as noticeable. I feel like it might go down a bit better. These are definitely my favourite, just because they push the boundary a little bit without being too much, but then they're not like your like standard, like really boring, like everyday glasses. I think they've got a tiny bit of personality, a little bit of colour, which is what I was looking for as well, and also they feel really comfortable on my face. I think I forgot to mention that, but they all feel very comfortable on my face, which is a must. If you're going to have glasses and literally they're uncomfortable and you have to wear them 8 hours, 10 hours a day, then there's no point in having them. But they do fit very well, and they're holding up very nicely on my nose as well, and definitely on my ears. So yeah, it's all good with the fit, which is great. Guys, my very last pair of glasses are a different shape, and these are definitely not the standard shape that I would go for, especially for an everyday look. But I saw them and thought I'm just going to add a little bit of fun to this video, otherwise it would be quite boring. But yeah, these are slightly out of my comfort zone because the shape is just very different. Glasses here. And as you can see, they're like an aviator style, and I've seen so many people look so good in these. And if you watch The British Apprentice this season that's just finished, you'll remember Michaela, who was one of the candidates. I'm sure she wore a pair of like aviator style glasses the whole way through, and I just used to look at her and think, oh my gosh, she looks so cool in that. Like those glasses look so cool in her, and I was like inspired. So I think when I saw these, I kind of thought of Michaela from The Apprentice, and I was like, she was such a boss lady. Like, actually admired her so much. I was like, Michaela's a boss. So I was just like, yeah, you know, I'm just going to try it and see if it looks good on me, and just like feel bossy and stuff in them. Okay. So, I don't know, like, I feel like all glasses. Does that mean glasses? I don't know, I feel like it's fine. What do you think? Oh, you know what? I thought I'd look worse. Honestly, I thought I'd look worse. Not too shabby at all. It's alright. I feel like, oh gosh, I feel like Patricia Bright right now. There's nothing bad about that, you know, I love Patricia, but you know, I like these a lot. I really like them. Yes. I like them a lot. And I don't think they were that expensive either. I might leave like the prices and stuff on the screen if you guys are interested in any of the glasses that I'm trying on today. And maybe the links as well. Yeah, you guys help me out. Which one should I go for? I'm not sure, but I do like these. I'm not gonna lie, I really like them. So yeah, my camera decided to die at the last minute. Boo. But yeah, that is the end of the glasses try on video. I hope you found that fun. I hope you found that informative. I definitely enjoyed trying on all these different glasses. I think I did do it in the right order, because I feel like for me, my favourite definitely was the last one, and my maybe least favourite safe option was the first. So I think I did that on purpose as well, just to see if I could test the waters and see how it felt. But yeah, let me know which ones you thought looked great on me, and which ones you would choose as well, if you were to choose between them. I will leave all the details for all the glasses in the down bar for you to check them out if you are interested in buying any of those, or you just want to have a bit of a browse. Definitely check out glassesdirect.co.uk. I'm not sure if they're like international or if it's just a UK based thing. If it is, then it's a shame, because it's definitely a good range of things. I think there's a Glasses USA, which is an equivalent, I believe, for like American viewers or whatnot. I'm not sure about anywhere else, but I'll leave the information for you if you want to have a look. But yeah, if you're a glasses wearer, don't fear. You can always look really cool, really trendy, really good by wearing glasses. Glasses are definitely not as ugly or horrible as they used to be when I was growing up. They're definitely like becoming their own fashion accessory. I feel like everybody wants to have a bit of glasses time sometimes, just to like amp up their look. They're definitely quite cool to wear, especially if you pair them in the right way. So yeah, I hope that you felt inspired by that, and I had fun filming, so hey ho. Remember to give the video a like and share it if you know anybody who wears glasses and they're really struggling and they're in a bit of a rut when it comes to like what to wear and how to change up their style. Hopefully this will inspire them as well. But yeah, I'm gonna go now and stop rambling. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Have an amazing week. Bye.